Yo, hey, what's up on YouTube? This is Ido Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair clipper from KEMEI with the model number KM1856. So, it's exactly the same like the one of BillPro BL350, just a little bit different. I will also tell you the difference between this one, KEMEI, and the one of BillPro. So, the box is smaller than the one of BillPro. Yo. Okay, got charging time 3 hours, operating time 150 minutes, and what else? Nothing else. 2000 milliamp battery, 5 watts. Okay, and I have to tell you, this is one of the best budget hair clipper. Very quiet, so you will see. It is very, very cheap. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this hair clipper. The blade is okay, and if you don't like it, you can easily swap the blade with the one of TPOB or Wall or Stylecraft. So it takes the normal blade, you know. The one of BillPro got a picture here, and that's the difference. And with a different blade. The one of BillPro got a taper blade, and this one is a fade blade. Okay, so this is the clipper. It looks good. Like I said before, also, see, it's a USB-C charging. So I don't know if maybe this one is a ceramic cutter blade or not. I don't know. I don't really know. Feels good on the hand, it's not bad. And the lever is okay, really okay. 5 clicking lever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. And the guards, it's also different from the one of BillPro. I like the guards of the one of BillPro better. So in the box, we got a cable, USB-C, cleaning brush, and 4 guide combs. So the one of BillPro is much more better with the guards. So this is it, and the range, just normal range. It's okay. Okay. Very stable and smooth. Okay. The clicking lever, it is smooth, very smooth. Very stable and smooth. Hear that? So I'm gonna try the RPM. So that's it for the unboxing of this KEMEI hair clipper. And peace, man.